Hey everybody, welcome back to Wobbly Life. We're just chilling out in the hot tub and... Is that acid? It's flooding acid! No! We gotta run, Jimmy. Forget doing cool thing, Jimmy. Anyway, welcome back to Wobbly Life. Today, we are escaping an acid flood. We've done lava and water on the channel. Now we are doing acid. And then we'll do like everything. So we have emerald flood. Move out of my way. That's acid right there. We gotta go fast and not crash, or the acid will eat us up and gobble us. But if it touches us at all, I'm pretty sure we just explode. Pretty sure. So we just gotta drive. That's it. Don't let it catch up. Don't let anything. You know what we got to do in the science lab. When you see acid in there, you run. Once the acid is in there, then go up there and hit the button easy. That's the rule. We're just making potions to kill stuff. Go. Don't even take the helicopter. I'm just focused on getting to the science. To the science. To the science. Don't tell the science. The science lab, I guess. Let's go. Go. We gotta be quick. We gotta be quick here. This is what happened. Here in a water flood, the car crashed. And I didn't take the shot. Hi, alien guy. Move. I hope the acid isn't in here. Help! Switch. That's acid right there, I think. Jimmy, jump. Oh, it almost hit me. The car's here. So it should be somewhere behind us, so it's not going to be like the lava flood where we can make 3 or 4. No. We could only make 2, so we can't screw any of them up. If we have 1, it's fine. 1 or 2 should do the trick. Okay, we're gonna hit the button in a minute. Once we see acid, we hit the button. But if we don't have a potion, still by the science guys lab. Orange, just need 1. And then hit up. Okay. Should be easy. We're gonna wait. Orange, gray. Down to get it. I hear that acid running and tumbling. bugs with acid. Oh. Yes, it's here. It's not. Oh, no waiting. I'm not waiting. Nope. This button better work. Double up. I saved the world! I saved the world! There should be one more. Oh! Yes, it didn't gobble it up. Yes! We saved the world! We did it! Bruh. I have max money. Jimmy, say goodbye to the viewers. We hope you like this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.